Okay. Very good, guys. Good job. Good job.
Definitely a success mission that we can see here that the officers
Sorry?
that's our team have been able to find.
Family. Come here.
These rifles that have gone missing since August 15th overseas from the
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Go.